it's Smiley Shelly, and thank you for watching today's video. Now, just letting you guys know, this is not a main topic video. It is just a random video I decided to make because I did promise you guys I was going to do one this week. So, since I really don't have a topic, I am making this video about you guys. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know how I give advice. And if this is your first video you watch of me, I give advice. I just give advice on everyday problems. You can hear all that yada yada in my introduction video. So if you subscribe, you'll get to see more, and go to my channel so you can watch those videos. But I need your guys' help. I just want to have feedback on how my videos are. Do you guys enjoy it? Is there stuff you don't like about it? Is there stuff you love about it or like about it? Do you think I should change anything? Do you feel like I should talk more, talk less? I want to know all of those things so I can make it better for you guys to enjoy watching my videos. It's all about you guys, and I'm not doing this just to talk to myself, you know. I'm doing it for you guys and for others, you know. You can help them share these videos and all that stuff, right? So that's basically what this video is. I'm just letting you guys know I need your help. I want feedback. Is it advice that you guys want me to do all the time, or do you guys want me to do something different? That's all up to you guys. So I hope to see a lot of comments on social medias or on here. You can comment down below. Please feel free to leave any type of comment. I'm just asking for comments mainly for this video. So it will help me a lot. If you don't have me on any of my social medias, I have it all linked on my channel, so you can add me and follow me. I will add and follow you guys back. Thank you for your support. That's pretty much it. And please, please, please comment, because I do want your guys' feedback, alright? Thank you guys, and remember, always have a smile. See you guys next time.